In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can see your scheduled posts on the Facebook app. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. To see your scheduled posts on the Facebook app is really straightforward and simple. All you need to do is open up Facebook, and once you're on the main page of Facebook, okay, you want to tap onto your profile icon there at the bottom right hand corner. That'll take you to your profile. Then you want to scroll down till you get to scroll down on your profile till you get to the normal place where you write a post right there. But then you'll see it says manage posts. If you tap onto manage posts, for me, mine is empty, but for you, if you do have scheduled posts, they will appear here. You can click on them, you can edit them however you want, and you can reschedule them to go live at a different date if you had the date wrong and everything like that. So that's just under manage posts right there. You just tap onto manage posts and it will show you all your scheduled posts. Okay, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.